Tired of your link in bio looking like everyone else's and not actually driving the traffic you need? Linktree, the OG link in bio tool, is known for its simplicity. You get a clean, list-style page where you can add links to your most important content. The free plan offers basic customization like changing button colors, but options are limited. Beacon kicks it up a notch with extensive customization. Think personalized branding, custom layouts, and even the ability to embed content directly onto your page. You can tailor the look and feel to perfectly match your brand. Beacon excels at direct integrations. You can embed YouTube videos, Spotify playlists, forums, and even entire blog posts, keeping visitors engaged right on your link in bio page. Linktree Analytics provides basic click-through data, showing you which links are performing best. It's enough to get a general idea of your traffic. Beacon provides much more detailed analytics, including location, device type, and even engagement metrics for your embedded content. This deeper dive helps you optimize your strategy for maximum impact. Let's talk pricing. Linktree has a free plan, but it's very limited. Their paid plans start at a few dollars per month. Unlocking more customization and analytics, Beacon also offers a free plan with solid features. Their paid plans offer advanced customization, integrations, and analytics, and vary depending on whether you want all of Beacon's features or just a link in bio function. So which one is right for you? If you need simple and straightforward, Linktree's a decent starting point, but if you crave customization, advanced analytics, and the power to create a truly engaging mini website, Beacon might just be your new best friend.